use the caliper. There is a 13 millimeter here and the downside. I'm going to get it loose right now. Okay, so I'm going to use 13 millimeter to lose the nut, upper bolt. Yes, losing the other side, downside. Yes, pretty loose. The up one. You can also lift it up like this. Okay. Yes. I really don't want to lose the top one, but all the same. Okay, you can see it's out now. The caliper is out. You can see the brake pad. Okay, you see it has already finished. Yes, I can hear the sound on the steering. You see the other one is done. You can see it's flat already. So I'm going to take the new one now. Okay, taking the new one, you can see the difference. You see, let's compare it. Okay, you see the old one, you see the new one. Yes, you see the inner one. You see, that's finished. So to put on the one, you got to. I'm going to sound off the. I'm going to sand off the face. Yes, Yes, putting one side there. I'm putting the caliper. Use the nuts to guide it. I'm going to guide the other side too, the downside. Yes. Then I will take my screwdriver, put it behind, and pull. You can see it. It's going back. Yes, that one has finished. I'm going to use another spanner to pull it. You can see it's going back. It's going back. Yes, I need it to fully go back. So I think that is all. Yeah, you can see it now. You can see it now. The piston has gone back. So I'm going to place the other side of the shoe brake. Yes, checking this pin. Okay, I'm missing one. So I'm going to get the pin. I mean the bracket. Yes, let me get it. Okay, okay, guys. So you can see the bracket there. Yes, this is very important. Yes, if you didn't put it, the leg will be making some noise that will get you annoyed. That will get you annoyed. So I've put the bracket. So I'm going to pull the shoe brake now. Okay. Yes. Then I'll put the caliper now. Yes. You can see it is enter easily. Everything goes well. Yeah. You guide the top knot. Guide the top knot. Guide the down knot. Yeah. Then you tight it back with the spanner. Yes.